Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to the intro of the vlog. This is where I just tell you guys the basic stuff that is going to be happening during this vlog. Okay, so you guys probably already know the basics of this. The basics are that the videos are supposed to be 20 minutes. This video is not 20 minutes. You guys could probably tell by just looking at it. But the reason why the video is over 20 minutes, it's because the video has a huge unboxing at the end. If you guys can stick around for that, it's really hype. A lot of my footage was corrupted, so that's why there's only 3 days to this vlog. It's still kind of worth it, but if you guys can just stick around for like the first 2 days or something like that, you guys would be so nice. Like, it would help me out so much. I think some of it's gonna be in Zach's vlog because he was vlogging at the same time, so that will work. Check out Zach's vlog next week. You guys should check out the week afterwards for my vlog. There's a huge incoming vlog coming up. Huge collabs. You guys need to go watch it. Like, that's all pretty much. If you guys like this vlog, please hit that subscribe button to our channel. It helps so much. But anyways, enjoy the vlog. Peace. O'clock in the morning, and me and Zach are about to head out to film today. We have so much to film, and I need to grab some water out of the freezer because it's a hot day. See you guys when we're done filming, maybe? I don't know. See ya. Because they're yelling stupid things! You don't want to hear them, but we just finished filming, so we're going to Blizzard, or no, we're going to DQ right now, grabbing some ice cream, stuff like that. Hype. It was hilarious. Check out the video. Eminem, was it Blizzard? Mm-hmm. Yeah, Eminem Blizzard. Zach got Oreo Blizzard. Jay got the Reese's Blizzard. So yeah, we're just having fun. Today was a pretty productive filming, so yeah. We're gonna head off to buy my birthday gift. Let's get the angle. So we finally got the goods, guys. So yeah. For the vlog, I think I actually explained where I am right now. So right now I'm on the road with my grandpa, and we're just going wherever we want. We just went to the gym, stuff like that. Got some coffee. Drank most of it though. This stuff's good. See you guys. I don't know when, but whatever. Anything comes up. This 3,000 on this game. God. So pretty much I've just gone back from like all the stuff I did with my grandpa, like gardening, you know, all that stuff for like the whole entire day. Finally got back to my dad's office. We can unbox all the cool stuff today. Check it out. Things we're unboxing. First of all, important, the GorillaPod. This is for my DSLR right there. Important. Throw this down there. Alright. Lens cap. Okay, let's grab my backpack. So I decided not to open it yesterday, but open it today. This is the GoPro Hero 4 Silver. Dope as F. And also, as a bonus that I need, come on, 64 gig class 10 SD card to go for the GoPro. There we go. Okay guys, okay, so I switched over to my DSLR right now, and we're going to be filming this opening of this Joby GorillaPod. This is a really great investment I've been looking forward to. So this is the SLR zoom plus ball head. So it has the ball head part right here. Plus it has it can hold up to the zoom lens. That's just in case if I ever upgrade to like a zoom lens or something. It's perfect. Everything I want. And everything looks cool. So let's start the unboxing. There's a little bit of tape. Let me get. Let's grab some scissors. Let's grab the scissors and start cutting away. God, this thing's so annoying. I can't use any lasers. Take this tape out. Okay. What the freak? Okay, guys, give me a second. Okay guys, whoever made this box is horrible at this. They should really fire whoever made this box, because the wrapping on this is horrible. Like, I'm literally ripping apart the box. I don't know if you guys could see this, but this is so annoying. It's not even coming out. Nothing. God. There we go. So, first thing that comes out is a basic instruction book. Throw that away. Who even reads these? There's a little thing right here. I have no idea. Throw that away. There we go. And this is what we've been looking for. Yeah, but what we have here is the Joby GorillaPod. It's the perfect tripod for me because it's portable. I could use it as like a portable tripod, and it's really great. So, whoops. Okay, throw this away. Alright. So, just check that out. But, there's a little quick release thing right here. Kind of get it out in one hand. There we go. The quick release mount. Tightener's right at the bottom. What can I say? This is so good. Welcome back. Sorry for this sudden interruption, but I had to move from my dad's office to this new office space because there was a lot of traveling and I have to go back home. I'm at home right now in the office space, so we're gonna do the official unboxing. Okay guys, so as I was saying before, there was some actual really cheap offers I got for this whole set of my birthday stuff. So for starting off with the GoPro, it was like a really cheap GoPro 4 Silver at Best Buy because they were having a sale. So I got $50 off that. So that's $350 because originally it was $399.99. So it was a $399.99 camera, but we got a $50 off deal while it was on sale. So now it's only $50 off. So it's $350 right here. For this was originally a $100 SD card, 64 gigs, class 10, UHC or UHS1. Comes with an adapter. It's really good, and it was $100. We got $70 off. Now it's only a $30 64 gig card, which is really good. And also, I'm pretty sure I showed you guys this. Oh, let me just write this down. That was the GoPro. This was the $30 SD card. And finally, for this, was an actually surprising price of $50. This originally was a $80 Joby GorillaPod SLR. It comes with the ballpoint attachment too. It's really good. It was originally $80. All of these we looked up online. Like, I looked up online beforehand and tried to get the best prices, and I actually got like everything really cheap. Like, this was the original price for this. This was the original price for this, and for this was the original price. So like, about in total, I think we got $50 from here, $70 from here. So $50, $70, and $30. 12, 15. We saved about $125, or well, in total we saved about $150 just in total from all the savings from this, which is like completely blowing my mind, because we got this for like around 400 something, and we could have gotten this for like 500 or something, and it's crazy how we got like this crazy cheap price for all of this. But yeah, time to actual unboxings. Okay guys, so right here we have the 64 gig SD card right here. I'm just gonna cut this, and because we need this for the GoPro, so I'm just gonna cut this and take it out so we can use it along with the GoPro. The crazy thing is, this was a $100 GoPro, or this is a $100 SD card that we got only for $30. Okay. Woo! There we go. So we've officially taken this out of here. Alright, so what we have here is our SD card. Let's open this. So this is the 64 gigabyte SD card. Okay, there we go guys. So this is the SanDisk Ultra Plus 64 gig 10 class 10 SD card. It comes with an adapter, which makes me so happy, because that's the only way I can read SD cards on my laptop. That we're gonna actually finally attach my DSLR over to my GorillaPod, because I really want to try this on this, because it's like the best combo. Joby GorillaPods are like really legitimately like amazing. Like, the stuff you can do with it is just blowing, like, it just blows my mind what you can do with it. So right here, this is for that. So right here I have the little quick adapter for this. So for this you need like a little coin. I brought that so I can just turn this. Okay, so I'm just gonna really quickly take this out. Okay. Okay. So I'm just gonna leave this here. So right now we have this table tripod. Let's see if I actually have this in frame. Table tripod, right? Okay guys, so what we have right now is my DSLR right here, and also the little quick adapter for the or whatever this is called, for the GorillaPod. So what I'm going to do now is just going to align this right here, and I'm just going to turn this so it works. Yeah, kind of sorry for the kind of unstable footage. I'm using my GorillaPod to balance my phone right now, so yeah. There we go. It really locks onto this really perfectly. It blocks off this little area though, but I'm happy with this. So I'm just gonna take this out of here and attach this on there real quick. Okay guys, so basically what I'm gonna do now is basically attach this little part right here. Clicks in like that. I'm just going to switch it this way. And guys, we're going to be switching over to the GorillaPod view right now. Yo, what's up guys? So we're back. We're on the GorillaPod right now, and it's perfect. it has like the perfect view right now. So now we're going to be doing the rest of the unboxing fairly easy because we have this with us. Okay guys, so here we have the GoPro Hero 4 Silver. You guys can probably see by this. Here's just a basic outlook on the camera. So beautiful. The box art looks really nice too. A couple specs I already saw it. Stuff that comes in. We already have the Class 10 SD card, which will work very well with this. So now we need to open the tape on the sides, as you could probably see right here. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is just gonna hopefully not cut the glass. And we got one side. Let's move to the other side right here. Let's cut the glass right. Oh, I accidentally cut the paper. God, I don't want to cut the paper. There we go. The thing that kind of annoys me is there's a couple scratches on the box, and it's kind of annoying, but whatever. You know what? It's good. It comes with like this cool sleek black thing when you take it out of the box. It's really just empty inside of here, nothing. So now there's like this really kind of like tape thing wrapped around here. So it's just pulling towards this one way. So what we're gonna do is just pull it around. GoPro logos on the bottom. There we go, guys. Man, this is my first GoPro camera ever. So it's so nice I'm getting. There we go. That might have helped the GoPro to look like a lot less shiny. But there we go. So it looks really sleek just coming out of the box. Everything looks really nice. There's a couple instructions says now we can actually take out the glass housing right here. Oh my god. This is my first time actually touching my GoPro camera. It's so nice. Just look how sleek this looks, guys. But you know what? I'm so happy. It's like the happiest time of my life. But okay, so for right here, we're just gonna press these buckles and then pull it out. It kind of just pushes out of the little casing right here, and it just comes out really easy. So we have our camera. Let's leave it somewhere you can see. Camera right there. So we have our top of the box right here. Whoa. Huh. That's kind of interesting. So this has been glued onto the top of this. So it just stays like that, which is really interesting. So we can just take this off. First thing we're greeted with is some instructions. Hero 4 Silver instruction manual. No one really reads this. Look this all up on internet if you ever need it. I'll just have that there. Second thing we're greeted with is some GoPro stickers, which look really dope. Leave that right there. Okay. Next thing, more safety information, the usual stuff. So, the second thing we're going to be greeted with is this kind of padded area. It's cross-folded, so there's like a little thing right here. So what I'm going to do is just kind of fold it up like this, and then fold this inwards, and it kind of just comes up like this. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it kind of just comes up like this, and it just comes up with like the remaining items we have in the box. First item we're greeted with is the 3-way pivot arm. We are also given the adhesive mount. Next two things we're given, these two back doors. So right here we have the skeleton back door. This is for like hiking or something like that. So this is more like an open back door, so audio can actually get out, you know. Second thing, we have the touchscreen back door, so we can actually touch while we're underwater. Only to 5 meters, but you know, it's better than nothing. The battery for the GoPro. Here we are, standard GoPro battery. First way, there's like kind of back piece, so you can just attach it along with these adhesive mounts. Just attach it in there. That works. USB cables, perfect. that's pretty much the box. A little serial code thing. That's it, pretty much. So yeah guys, so that's pretty much the stuff we have. Let's try opening this camera up. Hatch cup comes up pretty easy. Just gonna flip it up this way. Okay, let's see if I can open the seal. Dang. Okay, that seal is like really tight because I could feel that. So we can easily slide our camera out. Here's the actual camera. Let me try to focus on this. So here's the actual Hero 4 camera. It looks really dope. We have the touchscreen right here, and it just looks so good. Open up the battery hatch, which is located at the bottom. And this is actually a rubberized kind of feel. It's metal at the bottom. It's pretty nice feeling. I'm not sure how you put the camera. I'm not sure how you put it in first. I'm guessing it's this way first. No. It's this way. I'm pretty sure it's this way. Yeah. Okay. I think I got it. There we go. Let's get my SD card into this. Grabbing this SD card. Okay. Let's grab this SD card and let's find the little port for all the stuff. So there's this little hatch right here. I don't know if you guys noticed, but there's like a little hatch right here. If you lift this up, it kind of just comes off. Not really attached, but we'll just show all the stuff we have over here. I'm gonna attach the little micro SD card slot in here. Push it until it clicks in there. So I'm just gonna put it back in. Let's see, was it this way? No, it was this way. And it just fits back like that. This is really nice. So I'm gonna power it on for the first time. Let's see this. So let's try one more time. Hold down the battery. There we go. Finally reaction. I think I just didn't close this all the way. But there we go. So, I don't know if you guys see this. It's so dope. This little LCD screen is really nice. Okay guys, so right now I'm just gonna reformat the SD card on this so it actually makes sure it works right now. I'm just looking up a guide on the GoPro website. I'm doing it on this smaller LCD screen so you guys can actually see because it's really bright on the other side, not working. So I'm just gonna show you it on this side. This is deleting. And now it says 00, so it's actually formatted. So now I'm just gonna place it in here and be happy that I have my GoPro Silver, man. It's actually really well done. Like, it's a really good snap. You feel it. I'm just gonna take off the little backing sticker right here. Where is it? Okay, I see it. So I'm just gonna grab this little slick sticker right here so I can actually see the screen. It's really just like a little water slide sticker, but wow, this GoPro looks and feels like a really genuine and like beast of a camera, man. Yo, did you guys actually watch the whole entire video? If you did, like, high five to you, man. Virtual high five. That was so great. I'm not sure even if I would sit through all that. But thanks for watching. Like, it helps. But thanks for watching. You know, you guys do the regular stuff. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, you know, the usuals. Like, thanks for all the support. We've recently hit 17 subs. That is so great, guys. Like, 17 subs. I didn't actually believe we would actually hit it. Like, when I saw it, I was like so hyped. We're slowly growing, guys. Thanks for all the help. The main channel video is probably going to be uploaded on Monday because we don't have that much time, so I have to like edit this vlog, upload it on Sunday probably, and then edit and upload on Monday. So thanks for all your help. I'm going to quickly upload this video, try to edit as much as I can for the main channel stuff. Peace.